Hi guys, a very good morning. Let me walk you through the daily task of 12th May. So for quants, we have to read the theory of averages from Red Book, Quant 1. Then make your own notes on the important points in the topic and then solve 15 questions from the Red Book. So these are the three things that you have to do for quants. Yesterday we had a lecture on quants and I hope everyone was able to understand the topics. So today is the time when we apply those topics. In case you don't have the red books, then we have created this login ID for all CET King students. I request you to please call on any of the numbers given below in the description box and get your ID so that you can view the soft copy of the red books. Coming to the second part in verbal, we have to read anything for half an hour. You can read anything you wish. It can be a novel, it can be a book, it can be newspaper, editorial, anything. And in case you don't know where exactly to read from, then I have pasted a link of this long as article from the internet, so you can read it from there also. Coming to the third point, in LRDI you have to watch session 5, that is mixed graphs. It is available in your login ID under assigned courses. Go to e-classes, DIDS basics and then session 5. So these are the three things guys that you have to do in LRDI, verbal and quants. In case you have any doubts, then we have the doubt solving faculty that is available from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. every day. You can either direct message him over there, or then as you guys know, you can post your doubts in the group as well. Some of the students might address your doubts, or then if the doubts remain unsolved, then I will solve them for you. So that's it guys. Now that you have the target for today, I hope we should kickstart our preparation. Thank you very much. All the best.